At OpenCRM, we have a rule in place that stops our customers from emailing us data directly. This includes attachments to emails with file extensions XLS, CSV, and XML. We do this for a number of reasons, but a huge part of it is about protecting your data. We want to make 100% sure that only the intended recipient of your data has access to it. After all, data security is what we do. So, how's it done? Firstly, we would ask you to open up a browser window and take yourself to transfer.opencrm.co.uk, where you will see a page just like this one. You're going to begin by clicking Start when you see this page. Then you will enter your company name and hit the Next button. After that, we need your first name and surname, and again, hit the Next button. We also need your email address in order to contact you if we have any issues with your transferred files. Then, simply click Next. Then lastly, simply find the file you want to send to us and drag and drop that into the box, or click Browse Files and select your data that way. Once you have uploaded that file, you'll see it displayed on the page as it is on this screen. When you see that file has been uploaded, click the Next button. Then lastly, we need to know who your intended recipient of the data is. So, when you reach this screen, simply select the member of staff you wish to receive your file transfer, then hit Next. And the very last step is to just confirm to us that you are indeed a human by clicking the captcha displayed. Finally, hit Submit. Once you reach the thank you page, you can simply close the web page down, knowing your data is winging its way to us safely and securely. And that's it. The member of staff will be notified by our systems that there is a file waiting for them, and your precious data has been transferred using a super secure, robust method. It really is that simple. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful CRM videos, and thank you for watching.